On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hand, warm smell of curly death rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my side grew down. I had to stop for the night. That she stood in the doorway of the mission band. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven and this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, got the home them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely thing. When you room at the Hotel California, any time of the year, you can find it here. Man is differently twisted. It's got a Mercedes Benz. It's got a lot of pretty, pretty bars. She called a friend. How to dance in the culture. Sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain. Please bring me my wife. She said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away, waking me up.